This is the activity list, ELA Week of January 29th, and it is due this Friday, February 2nd. The first one says, read to self and practice your power goal. This should be done for 20 minutes each time, 3 times, and color in or check the box when you've done it once, twice, and a 3rd time. For work on writing this week, reread Abraham Lincoln. You'll find that in the resource area. Or scan and listen to the QR code Abraham Lincoln. Then complete the worksheet, constructed response in the resource area about Abraham Lincoln. When you're finished, it says, use the informative writing rubric in the resource area to score your constructed response. So these are independent and pair for reading it, independent for answering it, independent for checking it, reflect when you're finished. Optional for this week in writing is to create a foursquare telling about Abraham Lincoln's life, and then write an informational draft using that foursquare plan. For reading comprehension this week, we're focusing on connections. Required for 20 minutes, it says, complete the Connections Between the Historical Events paper. You'll find that in the resource area. It can be done independently or with a pair. Reflect when you're finished. Required, how would life be different today if women hadn't fought for the right to vote? Answer this on a sheet of notebook paper. Independent, reflect when you're finished. For Raz Kids this week, don't forget to write the title of your book on the line and the score that you got. This is 15 minutes, independent, reflect when you're done. For foundational skills this week, the green readers are doing the sounds of C and sounds of G sort. Blue readers are doing break the code. Red readers are doing fill in the blank. And white readers are doing the vocabulary. Independent, reflect when you're finished. For social studies this week, you're either rereading pages 64 to 67 in Social Studies Alive and complete the resource paper in the resource area titled Which Tribe Would You Join? Or you can scan the QR code and listen to pages 64 to 67 in Social Studies Alive. Complete the paper in the resource area titled Which Tribe Would You Join? This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're finished. Good luck this week.